everyone, we're on the Regent 7 Seas Voyager, and this is our Deluxe Veranda suite. We're room 800 on this ship. We're very excited to be here. So let's start with a tour of the bathroom. So when you walk into the bathroom, it's just a little ledge to open it. You have the on-off switch here for the lights. And then when you walk in, you can see that we have lots of products from Exquisite, one of my favorite products, to be honest. And then we have towels here, we have a stand-up shower, and then we also have a bathtub over here to the left side. Quite nice that we have both. And yeah. Just for a comparison of how big it is, I'm about 5'2", or 160 centimeters, and I fit perfectly. Lovely. Let's move to the rest of the room. Watch your step. So we have a full-length mirror right here, and then we also have a curtain to separate the bathroom from the rest of the room, which is quite nice for some privacy. And then we have a pretty big walk-in closet. So right here on the right, you can walk all the way in. There's lots of space to hang your stuff. There's also drawers here on the left. They even have a little sewing kit for you. And I believe this is for maybe your glasses or polishing something. Then they have all your necessities. So they have hair dryer, the safe. They have all your life jackets up there. And I see that they also gave us an umbrella to use, which is great. Let's move to the rest of the room. So a great addition in this room is that they have a little vanity where you can touch yourself up. So there's a little chair you can pull in and out to save space. It's quite nice. It has lights all up here, and it also has a little mirror right here. And then moving on to the bed. I believe this is a king bed. It looks pretty wide. More than enough space for 2 people. Let's move over here. And then there's also curtains to separate the bed from the balcony over there, and just this little living space. So when we came on the ship, they gave us 2 glasses of champagne, which is very nice, and they also gave us a whole bottle of champagne. Very nice of them. Let me see here. So right here we just have some more glasses. We have the ice box. And then right here we have the water bottles that they're giving to us. It's very nice for when we're going on all of our excursions, which is very nice. Then you can see we have another full-length mirror over here. We're moving to the balcony, which doesn't look very nice right now because we're still at the dock. Haven't left yet, so there's still people cleaning the ship and whatnot, but once we set sail, I'm sure it'll look very nice.